In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize notes in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible system that makes information easy to find, easy to maintain, and pleasant to use. Start by separating your workspace into distinct pages or databases for different topics or categories. Think of pages as simple containers for freeform notes, and databases as structured collections you can sort, filter, and view in multiple ways. If you're keeping one-off notes, a page is perfect. If you're managing a recurring type of note like meeting notes, class lectures, or project briefs, a database will give you consistent fields such as date, status, and tags. Name each page or database clearly, and keep your top-level structure simple so you always know where new notes belong. Within each page, use headings and subpages to break information into logical sections. Headings create a visual hierarchy, big ideas at the top, details beneath, so you can quickly scan and jump to what you need. When a topic grows large, turn it into a subpage rather than letting one page sprawl endlessly. This keeps your main page readable while still keeping related content just a click away. To group related notes across your system, add tags or labels. In databases, create a tags property and choose short, reusable words. Keep the list focused so you don't end up with near duplicates. For standalone pages, add consistent keywords to titles, like a project name or theme, so a quick search pulls them together reliably. The goal is to make cross-cutting themes instantly discoverable. When pages get long, use toggle blocks to hide dense details and reduce clutter. Tuck long reference lists, extended explanations, or step-by-step breakdowns into toggles so you can scan the page quickly and expand only what you need. You can nest toggles inside one another for deep sections without overwhelming the screen. Next, link related pages using page mentions or backlinks. Type the @ symbol and the page name to mention it, or use double brackets to create a link. Notion automatically shows backlinks on the linked page, helping you see how ideas connect. A short "See Also" line with a few strategic links turns a static note into a navigable network. Finally, review and update your notes regularly to keep everything organized. Set aside a brief weekly or monthly pass to rename unclear titles, archive what's outdated, merge duplicates, and prune tags that no longer serve you. A light, consistent review keeps your system fast, trustworthy, and ready for real work.